A quick video to show you my flea market finds of the day. So we will start with this Soviet radio receiver, AM only, model Etude 2. So actually they are not rare, but usually they are in very bad condition, and this one is quite nice with the original leather case around it. I did already find several of them, but not in such a good condition. They are from the late 70s, I believe, or early 80s. We have, you can see the export company logo here, Mashpri Bointong, made in USSR of course, and this one was never opened because we still have the seal over the screw here. Serial number here, so yes, it might be 76. So sadly I have no remaining 9-volt battery in stock to test it. And anyways, I believe we have no more any transmitter in AM, so there should be probably only noise to listen at, but it is in very nice condition. And it was €4 in the flea market. The guy asked 5, I did negotiate it for 4, so it is nice. In the case we have a OTK quality stamp, like you have on military equipment. It is interesting, so I am quite happy with this one because it is nice. Maybe I have another one in stock somewhere, but I believe we bought the case, and really this one is in a decent shape. Now for the main piece, for €2, very vintage electricity meter. Look at this, by the company Continental des Compteurs, so Continental Counters Company in Paris. You even have the address here, so you can search on Google Maps what there is now at this address. So it is a single phase 2 wires counter for 110 volts. So I will be annoyed to test it because I have no step down transformer. Serial number here and the approval date of March 1928. So this must be 1930s vintage counter. Quite amazing. And you know what, there is still the seal wire around. Actually it is broken here. I do not know if it is broken because it has been opened or just broken because it is old. But as I will need to restore it, obviously it is in a pretty rough condition, so I will restore it. It will be mostly paint stripping and repainting, but we will open it maybe for the first time in 70 or 80 years. Guys, so I do not know why we have 2 missing needles in the indicator. It seems to be normal as there is no the number. The screw is not extremely hard here. This one and there, so maybe someone did already open it. Just 1 second, okay. So, are you ready? Here is what we have. There is a fabric seal here all around. Interesting. The glass is attached with little folding parts here in the metal. So it looks like I will be able to unfold them and remove the glass for cleaning it, repainting, and maybe even replacing it. And also the little rivets here can be unfolded for the manufacturer plate, so it should be good for restoration, helpful. And here is what we have. Oh, there is one loose screw actually inside. Not sure where it is coming from, but we have our aluminium disc, our coil here and our counter mechanism. So it is possible to take it apart completely. Just a matter of undoing a few screws, it seems. So it may be the subject of a next video, taking it to bits to restore it. The little plate here is a little bit oxidized, but not too bad actually. Here is the counter mechanism for you. So it will be a little restoration project for sure. It will be interesting to do. Here I have, it seems, some spring glued on the magnet. So yes, really this screw must come from somewhere, and it looks like it may actually come from here. So not sure what it is all about. It must be to press, yes, to adjust this coil maybe here. So I do not know how possibly it became loose by itself. Yes, it is this, look. It will press here on this little piece to do something. Maybe it is just a break to the disc. No, it is an adjustment, obviously. Yes. Okay, so it is back in place, so it is good. So the wall guts will be able to get out with just 2 screws here and the wires at the bottom. So it will allow me to restore on one side the case, on the other side the internals. Okay, so really there is a 94 here, but it is probably not the manufacturing date. There is no other date inside, so I cannot really tell from when it is. We have a bakelite terminals here. Little handle, it is well, because why do you need an handle on a electricity meter, which we are not supposed to move every day? But it will be a nice restoration project, by the way. And it will be pretty when restored, I believe. This plate needs a little bit of cleaning, but it is not too bad. So I will see how it goes. And anyway, for €2 you can't complain, as it is a very vintage unit. And probably actually my oldest piece of equipment. I believe I have a few parts and components from World War II, but not before World War II, really. Maybe in the past I had a few telephones or things like this, but I did not keep them, I did resell them. But here, really, this is an old thing. I am pretty sure Rodaco 2007 does not have this one in this collection. So I will restore it, and I will see what I do with it after. But it will be quite interesting to see how it can come out after restoration. A lot of paint scraping ahead and polishing and stuff. but it is not too rusty, so it should be possible to get it in a quite decent condition. Okay, so I did spend €6 in this flea market. Not too bad, I guess. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.